Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new devlog. So in this devlog, I'm going to showcase some of the new entries in my game. So the first one would be a quick Pier. So this is where the game starts. Basically, at least this is where in my mind the game starts. So I will be implementing stuff here for the starting phase of the game. So we have a small port, kind of a docking station for the boats, and yeah, it's enterable, and yeah, you have a small boat here. I have set up the buoyancy and all the other components for the boat blueprint, so that's the reason it's floating in the water, so it's looking really cool. I need to calibrate this value so it looks more realistic, but it looks pretty cool for now. And then of course we need to decorate the interiors here. We will have some props, essentially some NPCs also most likely here, and then there is this small coast guard tower which will be also filled with an NPC, the lifeguard basically. And here's Bart, guys, so say hi to Bart. So nothing else changed in the starting area, at least in Bart's farm nothing has changed. But maybe you guys have seen something in the far north corner of our screen. So that's where I'm taking you next. So as mentioned in my last vlog, so this will be the marketplace, which will be the main set piece for our initial quest basically. So this is where we will be meeting a bunch of important NPCs in the beginning of the game, and this is from where the game unfolds. So I have managed to find some assets online, some cool looking marketplace assets. I'm not yet finished with this marketplace. There are a bunch of stuff which I still need to implement. So let me quickly walk around and show. So these kind of pillared structures would be the stalls in the marketplace, where different items are sold, or different kinds of events or some games are taking place. And also we have these kind of stalls for displaying vegetables and fruits, and yeah, these kind of tables. Some of the props I've already managed to find. So we have some sausages and some fruits over here. We will be duplicating them and making it more colorful. So this is how it looks, at least the first version, the basic framework for our marketplace. And we have this main building over here. This is supposed to be one of the town center government buildings at least. So we will have a bunch of quests also here. It's pretty dark in here. I need to set up the interiors with lighting and other stuff. So that's about it. And also we have this cool looking structure over here, the building. This is not enterable as far as I know, so I still need to work on this marketplace and make it more aesthetic and pretty, but just was excited to show you guys how the marketplace is gonna look like. So here on the coast we have our pier and the boat and the coast guard tower, and here we have the forest path, the rocky path which leads up to Bart's farmhouse and the wheat farm. And then this path is supposed to lead to the marketplace, which I'm working at the moment. So that's the overall map we have developed so far, and the whole island, it looks really beautiful. So that's the whole island in a nutshell. So that would be it for today's devlog. So I'm planning to keep my devlogs pretty short and clean, so that I can showcase minor improvements or minor progress which I have in my game. And the floor which we are using is basically cobblestone assets from Quixel Bridge. It's pretty easy to set up. Yeah, maybe I will release a bunch of tutorials once we are further down in terms of progress in this game. So that's it for this devlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So until our next devlog, bye guys.